Welcome to this guided practice on 4-7-8 breathing, often called the relaxing breath. This technique acts as a natural tranquilizer for the nervous system. This specific ratio, breathing in for 4, holding for 7, and exhaling for 8, is designed to lower stress, slow a racing heart, and quiet an anxious mind. By making the exhale twice as long as the inhale, we are signaling to the brain that it is safe to move from fight or flight into a state of deep rest. Let's start by finding a comfortable position. You can do this sitting up or lying down, whatever is comfortable for you. Let's begin by exhaling completely through your mouth, making a whooshing sound. And again. One more time. And now for the exercise. Close your mouth and inhale quietly through your nose. 4, 3, 2, 1. And hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. And let's take a break. The long exhale is the key. It stimulates the nerve called the vagus nerve that tells your heart rate to slow down. If you feel lightheaded, don't worry. That's normal as your body adjusts to the oxygen level. Simply stay with the rhythm. Let's do 4 more cycles. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Very good. Feel the tension leaving you as you engage in the exhale. Feel free to continue as you wish. If you're finished now, however, let your breath return to its natural rhythm. And feel free to come back to this anytime you need.